Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. Today we are going to learn class 9th foundation subject mathematics, and this is our chapter number 1, surds, and part number 12 of the topic square roots of surds. In part 10 and 11 we have seen the square roots of surds where first number is rational and second is irrational. But over here there are four terms. First is rational and other three are irrational. And earlier we have seen only two terms. So what we have to do in this type of questions? So here the formula placed will be, we have to find the root. So root of 10 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 15 plus 2 root 10 should be equal to root a plus root b plus root c. So this is our formula, like this. Over there, now first of all we'll squaring both sides. So for the space is small, so I'll write as b s, squaring both sides. So this square you have to write in detail, not like I am writing. This square will get 10 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 15 plus 2 root 10 should be equal to a plus b plus c plus 2 root ab plus 2 root bc plus 2 root ac. So now another step is we have to take rational and irrational as separate. So ABC are rational and 10 is rational. So A plus B plus C is equal to 10. This and this, or we can take any number, as these all are irrational, so interchange also we can do. So we will take 2 root 6 should be equal to 2 root AB. 2 root 15 should be equal to 2 root BC. 2 root 10 should be equal to 2 root AC. Like this we have to write. Now 2 will get cancelled after transposing, or else we know that 2 will get cancelled. And for removing the roots we'll do squaring both sides, and that will be equal to AB will be equal to 6, BC will be equal to 15 and AC will be equal to 10. You can check. This will be the values. Now there are three numbers. So this will be equal to A square B square C square equal to A square B square C square I have written because this AB into BC into AC will be equal to A square B square and C square. That will be equal to 6 into 15 into 10. 6 into 15 into 10. 6 into 15 into 10. We have to find the value of ABC now. ABC. For that, this 6 we can write as 3 into 3. This 6 we can write it 3 into 2, 3 into 2. Into 15 we can write 3 into 5. Into 10 we can write 5 into 2. 5 into 2. This 5 we can take out, this 2 we can take out, and this 3 also. So the value of ABC will be equal to 3 into 2 into 5. means ABC will be equal to 5 into 3, 15 into 2, 30. Like this. First this value and then this value. A plus B plus C will be equal to 10 and ABC will be equal to 30. Remember this procedure till this. After that, it's very simple. We have to divide. This will be the fourth equation. This will be the AB is equal to 6 will be first equation. BC equal to 15 will be the second equation. And AC equal to 10 will be the third equation. So we have to divide one by one every equation by 4. So first of all, ABC upon first equation, that is AB, equal to ABC's value is 30 upon AB is 6. 6 ones are 6 fives are. AB cancelled. Therefore, C will be equal to 5. Second is BC is equal to 15. So ABC upon BC will be equal to 30 upon 15. BC and BC will get cancelled. 15 ones are 15 twos are. So A will be equal to 2. Third one will be ABC upon AC. AC and AC will get cancelled, equal to ABC was 30 and AC was 10. So B will be equal to 3. B will be equal to 3. Now we have got the answer and we have to write that in the form of root A plus root B plus root C. So root A plus root B plus root C, that will be A is root 2, root B will be root 3 plus root C will be root 5. As this is an addition, so we can write anywhere. This will be the answer, root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5. Therefore, this is the answer. So again I'll repeat, the square root of 10 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 15 plus 2 root 10 is equal to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 15. Plus root 5. Therefore, this is the answer. I hope you've understood how to solve now this type of questions. If you will see a minus sign in between somewhere, so the signs under this will also get changed accordingly. And I hope you've understood. These all questions were easy. Like the negative sign, if first two signs are negative and other two are positive, so the roots this one used will be root A minus root B plus root C. These all identities, these are based on the identities that will get this form and like that. I hope you have understood till this part 12. In part 13, we'll solve question based on the fourth root of a given expression, fourth root of numbers like this. Now we have learned till the square root. In next part we'll learn the fourth root. Then we'll solve a question, a different type of question that is too much easy. But we'll see that in part 13. I hope you've understood the part 12. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. I hope you've understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in part 13.